So if there's an if, there's probably an else. Else statements occur when the if statement evaluates the false. So in our previous tutorial, we looked at the if statements, and if the condition was false, basically nothing would happen. So in this case, I'm going to show you that the else statement takes care of that. So for example, exercised this morning is equal to false. I did not exercise this morning. And we can go ahead and do our if statement. So we can say if exercise this morning, then we're going to echo you're on your way to look fabulous. So in this instance, if this was true, I would be on my way to look fabulous, right? But let's go ahead and open this up and see what that looks like. And as you can see, nothing happened, right? Because as soon as this doesn't evaluate to true, it goes past this curly brace and it does nothing. But if we wanted to do something, for example, we can add this else statement. So the else statement comes right after the closing brace and is basically you write the keyword else followed by its own braces right there. So if you exercise this morning, you're on your way to look fabulous, echo, otherwise crickets, right? Since I don't want to be insulting, even to myself. So just like standalone if statements that we just looked at, we can also add else statements without curly braces. So for example, let's say best TV show in 2020. This is going to cause some uproar, but I believe the show upload, right? So we could say if best TV show in 2020 is equal to upload, then normally, like I said, we would add curly braces, but this time we're not. We're going to echo damn straight it's upload. And then we can add our else statement, and we could say else echo the best afterlife show is actually The Good Place, which in my opinion, I think The Good Place is slightly better than Upload. So I don't know what's been going on in 2020, but there are a lot of afterlife shows. So as you can see right here, in this example, we used our curly braces before and after the else statement, and since this is a single line expression right here after the else statements and after the if statement, we don't have to use curly braces. We can also use that alternate syntax as well, colons instead of curly braces, which I'm not a fan of. So we could say, like, for example, use colons is equal to false. But if use colons was equal to true, well, then we're going to echo you get colonoscopy. Sorry, congrats. So even though this is underlined, that's actually the correct way to spell colonoscopy. All right. Else, again, we can use our little colon. Echo no colonoscopy for you. You. And then we could say endif. Well, we've written out a bunch of code, and normally I don't do it this way, but I just wanted to kind of get through it. So now let's see what this actually evaluates in the browser too. So exercise this morning is equal to false, so it should say crickets, followed by best TV show is equal to upload. If it's equal to upload, then it's going to say damn straight it's upload. So it's crickets, followed by damn straight it's upload. And then use colons is equal to false. Thankfully, no colonoscopy. And we can just say echo no colonoscopy for you. So it's going to evaluate this statement. Refresh this page. Those three statements should display on the screen, which they do. Crickets, damn straight it's upload, and no colonoscopy for you. Phew. So just kind of looking over this tutorial, what have we learned in this video? Well, clearly it's the fact that if you don't want a colonoscopy, you will stick away from the colon syntax.